Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing power and getting straight to the spring area. This prevents shocks and keeps parts from flying. Once done, pry open the access panel with a small screwdriver, then gently separate clips. Do not force. Make sure to photograph the existing layout and note orientation of springs and retainers. This saves time when rebuilding. If a screw is hidden, slide a thin pick along seams. Keep parts in a labeled tray so you can continue without hunting tiny pieces. You now free the spring while controlling tension. Grip with pliers wrapped in cloth and let out coils one turn at a time so it doesn't snap. Once released, inspect the coil for kinks, rust, or fractures. These explain malfunction. Make sure to compare it to a spare or diagram to verify correct size and hook orientation, because a wrong spring changes force and timing. If anchors are worn, plan to reinforce or replace them before reassembly to ensure longevity. You finish by installing the new or repaired spring into its anchors, making sure hooks face the same way as the original. This preserves motion direction. Once seated, retension slowly and cycle the mechanism 5 to 10 times to settle the spring and reveal any binding. If it binds, make sure parts align, clear debris, and apply a tiny amount of silicone lubricant to pivot points. When satisfied, reassemble the panel and run a final function test. If still faulty,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.